So when baling with the 604R Premium in auto mode, you may see the message that's on the monitor screen now that says Auto Eject Temp High. When baling with the 604R Premium in auto mode, it requires us to have our hydraulic remote in detent. So from time to time, you may have an error code that indicates your oil is getting too hot. And the reason that's happening is because depending on whether you have a closed center or open center hydraulic system on your tractor, we may not have the correct bypass mode selected in the monitor. The answer to that is to then go to the advanced menu, and from there we choose advanced baler setup, and then from there we choose auto eject, and you can see the first item on that menu is bypass mode. So if your oil is getting hot and you're getting the error code, change that. So after you've made the selection at the advanced baler setup menu for bypass mode, your problem should be corrected. If you continue to have this issue, contact your local dealer.